In 1 month, I've lost 13 pounds, which I thought was pretty revolutionary, but more important to me is some of the markers and the pain in my body has greatly reduced. Hi, my name is Trudy Noon, and I'm here to talk about Johanna and the nutrition program. I have had a weight problem since I was 8 years old, and I had gone on keto and lost quite a bit of weight, but I never quite got where I wanted to go. Investing in this program was one of the greatest things that I did for my health, because when she did the genetic testing, I found out things about me that I had suspected, but I didn't know if they were real or if I had just imagined them. Things I learned about myself included that heavy exercise actually increases inflammation in my body and makes me sicker. And anytime I had exercised really heavy or strong trying to lose weight, I would get sick. And I also learned that when I eat certain foods, my body tends to be healthier, and when I eat other foods, I go the wrong way. I got a list of vitamins and supplements that I can take while I'm learning to eat better nutrition. And then Johanna individually worked with me on some of the areas I struggle, which include nighttime binge eating and not eating enough vegetables. So we have been eating more vegetables, and I don't eat after 6 p.m. In 1 month, I've lost 13 pounds, which I thought was pretty revolutionary, but more important to me is some of the markers and the pain in my body has greatly reduced. You may kind of be wondering, is that much money an investment? Is that what I want to do? But what I would say to you is this has been a miracle for me, and I hope that you can take the time to consider it for you. Thank you.